This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Theresa Blackmon. 2.66 air conditioner lot, wooded and offers lots of privacy. Brand new above ground pool being installed with huge deck. Great house for entertaining. This home has tremendous amounts of storage space. 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with mother-in-law suite that has a separate entry. Smooth ceilings, freshly painted and new carpet in upstairs bdrms. 3 kitchen pantries, laundry room has lots of cabinet space and a masonry fireplace. Great sunroom, 3 garden areas and barn west/loft can be a nice man cave/she shed. For more information, review the details below or contact Theresa Blackmon at 919-266-366.